there are many people who are so interested in cooking. And during this lockdown time, we actually have a rebirth of many such master chefs. So thanks to Team VR. I would like to begin to invite the Johari, who has found all these Hire, who herself is truly as sweet as honey and truly believes that variety is the spice of NOGS. Our very own president, Dr. Vedai Marathe ma'am, to welcome you all for this session. Flipping it to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Parul. I really won't take much time. I just welcome all of you, and I'm so happy to see 67, so close to 70 of you have logged in to watch our master chefs in action, and we're all dying to see them. And actually, it's lunchtime, and seeing all the recipes, we're going to feel so hungry. So, nonetheless, let's begin. And I welcome all of you, and thanks, Parul, for hosting this very interesting session today. Over to you. Let's begin.
Thank you, ma'am. So, for all those ladies who are going bananas, here we are with a pinch of patience, a dash of kindness, a spoonful of laughter, and heap of love. Let's whisk it. So, firstly, I would like to welcome our very own NOGS culinary gang, Dr. Ankita Kothe madam, Dr. Sangeeta Tajpuria madam, Dr. Anjali Dhote madam, and Dr. Deepthi. So, first of all, champion of champions, who won the culinary contest, who truly believes that cooking is her cardio. I welcome Dr. Ankita Kothe madam to begin this wonderful session, who would be telling us, Nagpurians, the many recipes starting from the spicy tarri pohe to heart-melting desserts. Here we are welcoming Dr. Ankita Kothe madam to begin with her recipes.
Parul, you need to make her co-host, or you make me the host so that I can assign them host.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do that.
या अंकिता को co-host कर दे पहले, so we'll save time.
Yeah, good morning.
आपको host बना दिया मैम.
Yeah. Ankita, I made you the co-host, so you can start sharing. Parul, I'll make you the co-host as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankita, over to you.
Yes, I am just trying to share my screen. I think there is a problem with my mobile. You will have to make me the host, because I tried on the other net Zoom meeting. I was to be made the host. Only then I could log in.
No, just check, because in our settings you should be able to share.
Yeah, I'll just check.
Rajasi, Diptila phone kar, she has not logged in.
Hello, ma'am, I'm already here.
Achha, I can't find your name. Wait. Yeah, got it.
Can you see something on my screen?
No.
Not yet.
I think if you could just change the settings and make it to making me the host and yourself the co-host. I'll just try, because I can't see my screen. I can't see my screen.
I'm making you the host. Don't forget to make me the co-host. Otherwise, settings will be difficult to change.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are the host now.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Rajesh, just find out everyone else has joined. Anju Dote. Sangeeta to already hai. Sangeeta ko bhi co-host karna padega, but now Ankita won't be able to do it. Okay. Now check Ankita.
Yeah, I'm just doing it, but somehow. No, I can't share my screen with you guys. I don't know, there's some problem.
You are the host now. You should be able to.
Yeah, I'm just trying. Give me a moment, please.
Madam, should I check? Should I start?
Yeah, do one thing, Ankita. Jar वेळ लागत असेल तर maybe we can start with Sangeeta till then.
Yes, sure.
So you make me the host again.
Yeah, 1 minute.
You have logged in from your laptop, na?
No, it's from my mobile.
Oh, it will be difficult.
I really don't know what to do now. 1 second. Do I just log out and then
Yeah, do that and can you log in from a laptop?
पर मैडम को होस्ट तो बना.
हाँ
हाँ
मैडम पहले होस्ट करो मुझे.
हाँ. Yes, yes.
तोपर्यंत नेक्स्ट रेसिपी घ्यायची का?
हाँ ते संगीताला सुरू करायला सांगतो. Ankita, make me the host only, then you leave, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Go to participants, click on my name. You will find more option of more. You'll get the option of make co-host, make host.
Yes.
And madam, if you are not able to share, you can send the mail to Parul. She can share the screen, and you can
In
just
the
say.
meanwhile, do that. Ankita,
Yeah,
do
now there is.
that. Go to participants now quickly.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to
Find my name.
participant, but
Find my name. Just type on the find participant Vaidehi.
yeah, I can see you.
Then
Yeah.
click
Make
on
a
more.
host. Yeah, yes, I'm making the host. Making you the host.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, Sangeeta, I am making you the co-host. You can start till Ankita. Do one thing.
Yeah.
Please mail your presentation quickly to Parul.
Yes.
Yeah, Sangeeta, you are the
Yes,
co-host now. Let's begin with you. Parul, invite Sangeeta, please.
Yes, ma'am. Due to some technical glitch, we are inviting our next flavor scientist, Dr. Sangeeta Tajpuria ma'am, who is the treasurer. And let's see what she has in treasure for us today. And over to you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Thank you, Parul. Okay. First, I will start with my screen sharing. Are you able to see my screen?
Not yet.
Not yet, ma'am.
I can see, but yes. Are you?
No, ma'am, we are not able to.
No. Okay.
No.
1 minute.
What's happening?
I am able to see. Screen sharing has failed to start. Please try again. Error code. Okay. 1 minute.
Try again.
Now, are you able to see?
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
What's happening? You are the co-host. You should be able to, because every time we make the
Madam,
file.
yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now,
We are not able to, ma'am, see your screen.
now, नहीं?
तेरा भी मेल कर दे पारुल को.
मेरे यहाँ पे डाउनलोड
मैडम,
होना चाहिए मैम सबका.
शेयर कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है.
जैसे आएगा हम तेरे को बताएंगे. अभी तक तो नहीं दिख रहा है.
अच्छा, ठीक है, ठीक.
तूने स्टार्टिंग में चेक किया था ना, लॉगिन किया था तब?
नहीं. एक सेकंड.
मैं इसलिए एक्चुअली राजसी को होस्ट बना के गई थी कि तुम लोग अपना अपना स्क्रीन शेयर चेक कर लोगे करके.
Also make me the co-host, Vaidehi. Let me try.
Yeah, I will try.
मेरे को मैडम बार-बार लिख के आ रहा है स्क्रीन शेयरिंग हैज फेल्ड टू स्टार्ट.
But I don't know why, because our settings are the same. No change in the settings.
1 minute, madam. अभी.
Products and place them on a well creased as a
Dipti, I have made you the co-host. Can you share? Can you check if you can share till then? Let's see if there's a problem with everyone.
Yes, ma'am. We'll try. Mani? Video बंद केलं? Video बंद करू? Ma'am, I'm trying. Okay.
Yeah.
Deepti ma'am is able to, I think.
Screen.
Hello.
Hello.
हेलो,
एक दीप्ती तू कर ना स्क्रीन शेअर.
मॅम माझ्याकडे स्क्रीन शेअरचा ऑप्शनच येत नाहीये.
असं कसं स्क्रीनच्या खाली बघ तुझ्या ग्रीन कलरचं बटन असतं स्क्रीन शेअर स्क्रीन म्हणून.
हो हो, शेअर कंटेंट मध्ये आय हॅव नो ऑप्शन ऑफ स्क्रीन शेअरिंग इटसेल्फ.
तू तुझं प्रेझेंटेशन ओपन करून मिनिमाइज नाही करून ठेवलंय का?
हा तसं करावं लागेल.
प्रेझेंटेशन ओपन करून मिनिमाइज करून ठेवायला लागतं. मग तुला त्या बॉक्स मध्ये दिसेल तुझं प्रेझेंटेशन.
मैं लीव करके रीजॉइन करूं?
चलेगा. संगीता मैं तेरे को होस्ट बनाती हूँ, तू देख तेरे से हो रहा है क्या.
इधर आ, ये देख क्या लिख के आ रहा है.
क्या?
संगीता मैंने तुझे होस्ट बनाया है, अभी देख. Sangeeta, you're the host now. You should be able to do it.
वैदे मॅडम, तोपर्यंत तुम्ही काहीतरी एक डिश सांगा ना. तोपर्यंत तू एखादी छोटी डिश सांग पटकन.
मैं कलोरी कॉन्टेस्ट में मैं भी एकदम विनर रहती यार. मेरा एकदम ही काम चलो काम रहता.
मेरे को लगता है वैदे तू ज्यादा एक कॉफी बनाना बता दे सबको, या फिर एक पपड़ सेकना बता दे. बहुत हो जाएगा तेरे लिए.
बहुत हो जाएगा. नहीं, आज मैंने आटे का शिरा बनाया उपवास. प्रसाद
डालगोना कॉफी बताओ. डालगोना कॉफी मैम.
नहीं दड़पे पोहे इज द बेस्ट महाराष्ट्र डिश. वैदिक कैन यू टेल दैट?
अरे आज हमारे वो रेसिपी में था, बट दड़पे पोहे आई कैन टेल यू बिकॉज वी मेक रियली नाइस वंस. तो हम लोग कोकोनट ग्रेट कर लेते हैं, ताजा ताजा फ्रेश, नॉट किया हुआ. द वेट कोकोनट, उसके पानी में जो निकलता है कोकोनट वाटर को, उसको हम लोग पोहा में भिगा के रख देते हैं, अच्छे से प्रेशर डाल के दबा के रखते हैं. सो वंस इट इज सोक्ड इन कोकोनट वाटर, नाइसली सोक्ड, सॉफ्ट, देन वही पोहा में प्याज, वो ग्रेटेड कोकोनट जिसको हम चव बोलते, नारळाचा चव, कांदा, मिर्ची, कोथिंबीर, नींबू, साखर, मीठ, उसको अच्छे से मिला के ऊपर से घी या तेल का तड़का. आई प्रेफर तेल फॉर दिस, बट घी का भी अच्छा लगता है. जीरा, राई, मिर्ची, कड़ी पत्ता का तड़का. माय मदर इन लॉ पुट्स अ ट्विस्ट, शी ऑल्सो फ्राइज पापड़, एंड उसके ऊपर पापड़ का चूरी भी डालती है. So this is the recipe of दड़पा पोहा. Very very nice, instant also. अगर कोकोनट घर पे रेडी है, जो मोस्टली महाराष्ट्रियन फैमिलीज में घर में रेडी रहता है, so very easy and quick. Okay, संगीता, what's happening? तो होस्ट है ना, क्या हो क्या रहा है?
I can tell you.
अपनी स्क्रीन को शेयर करने की कोशिश करूं क्या मैम? I'll just see. I can.
देख तू तो, मैं तो अभी होस्ट भी नहीं हूँ, मैं को होस्ट भी नहीं हूँ. अभी तुम लोग ही देखो.
एक मिनट.
So meanwhile, should I tell Rasgulla's recipe?
I can actually. So we can ask Anjali ma'am to probably start hers because I already have hers.
Okay.
I'm here.
अंजलि, are you there? I'm not able to see her. आ गई. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
क्या नाम से लॉग्ड इन है? मेरे को नाम नहीं मिल रहा. रीनेम नहीं किया है तूने, इसलिए I'm not able to.
कर दिया मैम, कर दिया.
Got you. अरे but I can't make you the co-host now. Sangeeta is the co-host. Only she can make you the co-host. Sangeeta, I can't find her. She is the host, but I can't find her also. संगीता.
हाय अलका मैम.
हाँ मैडम, कर रही हूँ.
संगीता मैम, आप वैदेही मैम को एक बार के लिए होस्ट बना दो, and then we can probably come back to you.
Okay.
Dipti special hair.
There are lots and lots of people logged in today. 115 for a culinary show. That's amazing. So happy to have all of you here. Thank you so much for joining on Sundays and to watch our.
अरे कुछ तो खिलाओ.
Parul, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I have emailed all my presentations to you, all my videos too. Can you please check?
Yes, ma'am. I'll check that.
Okay.
किया मुझे होस्ट तूने?
हाँ मैडम, कर दिया.
Okay. अंजलि को मैं co-host करती हूँ. अंजू, Parul, you
क्यों नहीं हो
start
रहा है?
sharing the screen till then.
Ankita has started her screen.
हाँ, अंकिता मैडम का आ गया है.
अच्छा ठीक है. So we have again Ankita ma'am with us.
We will start, Parul. We will
Just
start.
trying.
We'll start in the order it was, the way it was supposed to be. Ankita ma'am
हो
here.
गया ठीक.
हाँ, हाँ.
ठीक हो गया?
But I think there is an issue. Girls, there is an issue. You will have to start because I have 22 slides and this is showing only 11.
So can you not get help of a laptop and do it?
Fine, dear.
Parul, ma'am has mailed you the PPT, na?
Yeah, my PPT
Yeah, I
is
have
done.
just one from Anjali ma'am.
Yeah, Ankita ma'am's PPT you download and
अंजलि मैम का पीपीटीज नहीं है मैम, वीडियोस हैं, तो आई ऑलरेडी हैव दोस, तो आई कैन प्ले दैट इफ दैट इज ओके.
तो मैं अभी ना सबको म्यूट ऑल कर रही हूँ, बट अलाउइंग योरसेल्फ टू अनम्यूट, सो प्लीज, क्योंकि बहुत सारा ऑडियो बैकग्राउंड है. नाउ यू कैन अनम्यूट एंड टॉक.
So are we going ahead with Ankita ma'am or do you want me to start with Anjali ma'am's?
अंजलि, बिकॉज अंकिता का कुछ इश्यू हो रहा है.
So ma'am, she will have to stop sharing her screen.
अंकिता, yeah, you start sharing. Anju, over to you.
Yeah, thank
Parul,
you so
start
much,
sharing
ma'am.
Anjali's screen. Yo.
Yeah, good morning everyone. Now I'm sharing my recipe of ukdi se modak. Please excuse me for the poor presentation. It's not playing, I guess.
It's playing.
Hello, Noxians, lovely people. Welcome to my kitchen.
Yeah. So these are the ingredients which are required. One bowl of milk, a small katori. It's going too fast, I guess. So I've taken a bowl of milk and a bowl of rice flour. Now I'm boiling the milk, added some ghee to it and added the rice flour to it to make the ukad. This is how we cook the ukad. And once it is done, you have to cover it up. Now I'm roasting the desiccated coconut, which I'm going to use for the filling of the ukdi se modak. So the thing is, we have to dry it up, dry all the moisture of the desiccated coconut. Then you add
The desiccated coconut, some dried fruits, in ghee, and later on I have added jaggery. You have to roast it a bit so that this thing dries up. Now this has mixed quite well. We will let it aside for some time to cool down. In the meantime, I have kept the ukad aside and covered it up, and we will let it be like that for say 20-25 minutes. This is lukewarm water with few strands of kesar, saffron, which we'll be requiring later on while steaming the modaks. We will add a hint of saffron to each modak while steaming. Now it has been over 20 minutes. I'll transfer it to a bowl and knead it thoroughly, maybe for another 10 minutes. The most crucial step of making ukdi se modak is kneading the ukad, which is what I've been doing for past.
Anju, you can speak because we are not able to hear the audio in the video.
Okay, ma'am. Now this is the ukad which I've kneaded thoroughly. You need to dedicate at least 10 minutes for this kneading process because this is the most crucial step of making the ukdi se modak. I think the video is paused.
And to test it, what we can do is,
And to test whether the ukad is ready for preparing the modaks, we have to make what we call as pari in Marathi. So you just press the dough between your fingers and try to spread it out. And if it is not breaking, going thinner but not breaking, that means it is ready to be prepared for the modak.
so now we begin with the step.
Now we begin with the actual making modak making process. I've taken a modak mold and we have the stuffing ready, the ukad ready, and the saffron water also ready.
Actually, our stuffing is ready साचा.
पारुल वीडियो का ऑडियो तू बंद करके रख बिकॉज फिर वो ओवरलैप होता है इसकी आवाज और वो.
एक मिनट.
अंजलि तूच कंटिन्यू कर तुझी कमेंट.
Okay. I have taken this thing, the idli cooker for steaming the modaks, as you can see, and put a steel chi charni, which all of us usually have at home, over top of that steamer. And this is the modak sacha or the modak mold. Now what I do is I prepare a ball out of the dough, which should be fairly big enough in size, and you put that ukad dough inside the mold and work it out with your fingers gently but a little bit firmly so that it coats all the sides of the modak mold. So gradually all of the mold area is covered up with the ukad, and now I'll be putting in the stuffing inside the modak. So you have to leave the bottom of the modak, the bottom side open, from where you can stuff in the stuffing. So here I'm inserting the stuffing. You have to press it a little bit gently and fill up the whole mold. And now to cover the base of the modak, I take another little amount of the ukad and just seal off the base of the modak with it. Here also you have to apply a little bit of pressure so that it doesn't come out while steaming. And now I open the mold. And we have the beauty ready. This is ready to go into the steamer now. Parul, I think the second video you'll have to play.
Yes, ma'am, I'll just play.
So now I've prepared all the modaks, as you can see. I've put them on a greased charni. I've greased it with homemade ghee. And now I'll put some saffron water, which I had prepared earlier, on top of the modaks. Is it paused?
Just a second, ma'am. It's not paused.
It's getting paused in between, I guess.
Parul, I think pause हुआ है थोड़ा देखो.
हाँ. अभी दिख रहा है मैम?
हाँ, now it is. Yeah. This is how you put the saffron water over the modaks. It will give a very nice aroma, very nice flavor as well, and color to the modak. Now these are ready to be steamed. I'm going to cover this up with a heavy lid so that the steam which is formed inside doesn't escape out. If required, you can put on some weight over the top of the lid as well. And the steaming process might take around 10 minutes. Now see these gorgeous modaks. They are steamed, they are hot and ready to be eaten. I hope you all like this. Hello.
इसको अपन इसको खड़ा बोलते जब सिलते तो पारा बोलते. अब इसमें का कौन सा पना बोलते?
Everyone please mute yourself.
पना है. तो ये पने में अगर बना तो ये हार्डली इसको तो 1.5 मीटर.
Yeah, now you can unmute yourself. कौन बात कर रहा है? Because I muted everyone. Hello. Hello. Yeah, now Anju unmute. Yeah.
Yeah, I have unmuted myself.
Go.
Anju, is it necessary to keep that charni? आपण त्याच्यावर तू जे pot ठेवलं होतं, that was idli pot, isn't it?
Yeah. That idli
pot मध्ये नाही ठेवू शकत का आपण?
मॅम ठेवता येईल त्याच्यात पण. But मग ते एक-एकच म्हणजे layer by layer, only one. I have a very small idli steamer, so I use this charni. That all can be done at once. Another thing is the authentic way for this is to steam it by placing the modaks on turmeric leaves, the haldicha pan. So I did not have that readily available with me, so I didn't use it.
But that saffron idea is very good. Putting saffron over the modak.
Yeah, they look very gorgeous with that.
Just like you?
No, just like you. Thank you.
Very beautifully made modaks, ma'am. So now switching on to the second recipe, which Anjali ma'am would be telling us. It is something like dum dum dumak dum dum dumak. It's some dim duck. Let's see what it is. So here I am sharing the second recipe of Anjali ma'am.
Parul, in the meanwhile, have you got the mail from Ankita?
Ma'am, I have not got the mail from Ankita ma'am, but I've got it from Deepti ma'am. But I cannot download it because I have to share my screen. So the two things cannot happen.
Can you forward it to Swati? Because I can't do it from this laptop because this is Sanjay's laptop and I don't have access to my
mobile phone. And meanwhile, I'll start with Anjali ma'am's recipe.
Yeah, and then please mail to Swati. And
Madam,
Ankita, you also mail to Swati.
I may also share now.
तेरा हो रहा हो गया सेटिंग तेरा की
अंजू पहले
शायद
अंजू पहले मोदक खाओ घर
Sure, ma'am. Ghari,
Chalo,
they are all
Anjali ma'am,
ready.
naya fusion recipe. Here we begin.
Yeah.
Anju, you start with your.
Yes, ma'am. And the video is getting paused, I guess.
So let's proceed with it.
So I'm this recipe is something which I have innovated myself and named it as dim duck. It is basically a Italian type of modak, a modak with Italian stuffing. Again, I'm using the same ukkad here, and for stuffing, I'm using these ingredients. You can see it is bland spinach with corn, some grated potato, Italian seasonings, and to saute it, I'm using butter, and to add more richness to it and the flavor, I'm adding some processed cheese. I've taken the garlic herbs butter here in a pan. I'm putting this bland spinach and corn. I'm going to saute it for like a minute or two so that this thing also dries up. Next, I'll be adding the grated potato and the Italian seasonings. There is garlic powder and the other one is oregano and other mixed herbs powder. Once this sauteing is done, you have to add the grated cheese at the end and just switch off the flame and mix it up. If you keep this flame on, this cheese can get burnt. So you just mix it quickly and transfer it to a plate. Now see, our stuffing is ready. Here I would like to add a tip. If you find the stuffing is too flowy, you can just put it in the freezer for say 5 minutes or so, and you can make then firm balls out of it for the stuffing. Again, the same process of making the modak with the same ukkad I am following here. So I am lining the inner wall of the modak with the ukkad. And then I'll be stuffing it with that Italian prepared stuffing. So you have to be a bit careful here. You should not stuff the modak to the fullest because when you steam it, the cheese is going to melt a bit and it might come out. So you have to leave a little bit of space inside for this cheese, melted cheese to get accommodated. And now I'm sealing again the base of the modak with this. And here we go. Our dim duck is ready. Now I have greased the charni with some olive oil here. I have not used ghee for the greasing. And I have prepared one dim duck with a karanji sacha also. So you can use different type of molds and make them into various shapes of your likings. And especially the kids. Now they're ready to be steamed. You have to steam them for 5 to 7 minutes and then they'll be done and ready to eat. Again, you have to cover it up with a heavy lid and see, now I've taken them out and plated them. I've used some chili flakes to garnish and they go very well with mayonnaise or ketchup.
Amazing.
So I have 2 recipes and I hope these are very easy to make and very short recipes and I hope you liked it. And thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity for
This is
presenting.
wonderful, Anju. Absolutely out of the box. And this guy, what is the name of that khara modak?
Dim duck, my daughter. It's like dim sum and modak ka
Dim
combo.
sum.
My daughter has
Oh.
named them.
अमेझिंग. आणि आमच्याकडे उकडीचे मोदक म्हणजे एवढा मोठा कार्यक्रम असायचा आतापर्यंत. नाव आय
I
फील
know.
सो सिम्पल. ओके, देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. हाऊ टू मेक सारण ऑफ उकडीचे मोदक?
It's very I'm sorry for the poor quality of the video and the audio earlier, so I'll repeat it. What you need to do is have equal quantity, like 1 bowl of rice flour. You add a little bit of pinch of salt to it. Then what you do is in the same size bowl, you take equal quantity of water and milk. You put the water milk to boil, add some ghee to it, and once it starts boiling, you add the rice flour to it and mix it thoroughly. There should be no lump formations in that while making the ukkad. So you have to really work it hard for a couple of minutes. And once it starts steaming, you just switch off the flame and cover it up and keep it covered for say 20-25 minutes. And
Okay.
this is
And that
how.
is about the cover, about the saran, coconut saran.
Okay, I'm so
Stuffing,
sorry.
stuffing.
Saran, yeah, stuffing. So for stuffing, I have used desiccated coconut here. And you put a little bit of ghee in a pan, then you put the desiccated coconut and roast it. Basically, this roasting process is to dry up all the coconut milk, I mean the moisture from the desiccated coconut. And when it starts drying, you add the jaggery. Let the jaggery melt in a very low, you have to keep the flame really sim and melt the jaggery and again give it a thorough mix so that it all dries up. And then you can add your choice of dry fruits, and this poppy seeds khaskhas also go very well with it. I've not added here because I don't like it personally, so I've not added the khaskhas, but then you can add all these ingredients, and that is how the saran is prepared.
Okay, and I don't know why someone asked, is potato boiled? So
Yeah, I had
that for
this is a
your khara.
boiled grated, yeah, boiled grated potato.
Okay, and we use only wet coconut, not the desiccated like you
Yeah.
use.
No,
We
no.
use only.
I have desiccated it. It is a tender coconut which I have
Actually, we use a
desiccated.
tender one only. Okay.
म्हणजे त्याला what you call it? I don't know the term, ma'am.
What do you do when you desiccate it?
ते खरवडून त्याचं आतलं ते त्याला
So
काय
that is not
म्हणतात?
desiccated, no? That is full of the wet part of coconut.
Yeah, the wet part. So
Yeah,
basically,
desiccated
I
is that
gave
you
it
get
a
in the market, which is not dry cobra.
yeah. This is the wet one, the tender
Wet
one.
one. So it's
So
not
I
desiccated.
just gave it a 2-3 spins in the mixer.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Even we can add boiled rice to the जे external covering तू दिलाय ना त्याला मोदकचं जे कव्हरिंग असतं त्याला ज्याला तू साच्यामध्ये टाकलं आणि केलं त्याला बॉइल्ड राईस जर ऍड केलं ऑलरेडी बनवलेलं त्यांनी ते खूप सॉफ्ट होतात आउटर कव्हरिंग म्हणजे फक्त राईसचं करण्यापेक्षा.
Okay, I'll definitely try it, and that's a wonderful idea. You can add a spoonful of sago flour also to this.
सॅगोने ते हार्ड नाही होणार का?
नाही मॅम, ते मोल्डिंगला इझी जातं. म्हणजे इफ यू आर नॉट युझिंग दॅट मोदक साचा and if you're preparing with hands, then it helps in molding.
बंगाली में क्या बोलते हैं उसको एलर्जी का डिपेंड करें.
So I hope you all liked it.
Wonderful, yeah, Anju. I am sure everyone must have enjoyed the Italian. There is a comment for you. Italian modak must.
Thank you.
In Bengali, it is called gur pithe.
Madam, make me host. Make me co-host.
Okay, Anju done, no?
Yeah.
Thank you,
so
Anjali
much,
ma'am. It was a dhak dimdak modak for all of us.
Yeah,
Thanks
I
a
hope
lot.
everyone gives it a try. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. It won our hearts the way you have had that fusion. Now coming on to our flavor scientist, the very own treasurer, as I've already mentioned. And now we are looking on to what she has in treasure for all of us. Sangeeta ma'am, will you be able to share your screen?
I made you.
Okay, I am not. Yeah.
You're the co-host.
Yes, madam. Are you able to see, madam?
Your screen share now.
1 minute.
स्वाति तेरे पास आ गए इनके presentations?
Ma'am, it's taking little time to download.
Okay, fine.
Views.
I am not able to share, madam.
क्या करे, पर ऐसे तो होना नहीं चाहिए, सब लोग कर पा रहे हैं.
Share with में ये यहाँ पे ऐसे. मैडम 1 minute.
संगीता मैम शेयर स्क्रीन पे जाके आपने ऑलरेडी खोल के रखा है क्या?
संगीता मैम, मैं आपको वीडियो कॉल कर रही हूँ, प्लीज टेक माई कॉल.
मैं भी कर रही हूँ.
Till then, can Dipti share? Dipti के आ गए क्या?
अनुष्का, तुम्हारी छोटे भाई की वाइफ निशा, ठीक है?
Dipti, are you able to share?
Ma'am, I have already emailed my videos to Parul, and
No,
now
but are you
she
able
will
to
be
share?
able to do it.
But are you able to share?
No, not yet. There is no option for screen share.
Okay. पारुल, तुझे मिले कि स्वाति को दिया है तूने इसका PPT? अनम्यूट कर. हाँ.
मैंने स्वाति मैम को भेजा है, but I think it's taking too much time for us to download, and they are not even labeled, and there are 4 files which you have to download. So just give us a moment, we'll just download it and get it started.
Okay, so Ankita, what can we do till then? Unmute कर. Ankita, unmute कर.
It's members' responsibility to
his laptop. So if you can make Dr. Sudhanshu Kote as co-host, I'll try and share my screen now.
Okay. Has he logged in as Sudhanshu? Yeah.
Yes, Dr. Sudhanshu Kote.
Yeah, got him.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we start,
Yeah, he's the co-host now.
Yeah. Can I start sharing my screen then?
Please. We are
Yes.
waiting. We're waiting for your show.
Yes. Just a moment, please. Give me a minute. Can Sangeeta share her screen and talk in the meanwhile?
Ankita का screen share नहीं हो पा रहा है ना इसके लिए.
Okay, and what about Dipti?
Dipti के laptop
Let me try for Sangeeta ma'am.
Yeah. In the meanwhile, I'll just, I'm arranging my PowerPoint presentation here on this screen. Just a moment.
Yeah. So you do it only from Sudhanshu sir's screen. Yeah,
Yeah,
Swati started screen sharing. Swati, किसका दिखा रही है तू?
नहीं मैम, मैं चेक कर रही थी, मैं संगीता मैम सबका हो रहा है स्क्रीन शेयर.
मैं संगीता मैम का दिखाती हूँ.
चलो, great. Over to you, Sangeeta. Parul started sharing your presentation, I think.
Are we able to see her screen?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead. Sangeeta?
You can see this now?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can see, na? She has started sharing. Yes. Sangeeta, can you see on your screen? Parul has started sharing your presentation.
You are being Parul's screen. Okay, fine.
Should she play?
Shall I play it?
1 minute. Yeah, madam. 1 minute. Yeah, Parul.
Introduce कर दे, तेरा topic क्या तेरा ये?
हाँ मैडम, एक्चुअली यहाँ का वीडियो बंद है.
हाँ?
Hello.
Started, ma'am.
See, okay, these are the ingredients. I am starting with the fusion pudding. It is actually Indo-Western pudding. Puddings are generally known as this English dessert, and I have added Indian flavor in the form of modak. That Ganpati Bappa is there, everything will have modak. So this is the ingredients for the fusion pudding. Parul, you can start the video. Actually, this audio
You want me
is
to play
also
the
there.
audio also of it?
Yeah. Right from the beginning.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody can hear it?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Packet of Maggi biscuit, 100 grams of butter, some condensed milk or milk maid, 2 big packets of Oreo, and some milk. We begin by crushing approximately Maggi biscuit, crumbs out of it or smooth powder out of it, and we'll add approx 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Now once we've done that, we'll go on to make modaks. So for that, I've crushed some Oreo biscuits.
Audio is very poor.
Okay. Parul, you stop the audio. I will say. Just 1 minute. It is very simple and it is very fast. Parul, start from the beginning. I will let it do very fast.
You want me to play the audio?
No, don't play the audio. Just start from the beginning. Yeah. This is the ingredients for the fusion pudding. We require Marie biscuit, Oreo biscuit, condensed milk, whipped cream, and Amul butter. These are the ingredients. You can change according to the season. In spite of 2 biscuit, you can have this cake and biscuit. Okay, and for this according to season, we can have fruits also. Hello. Parul, it is not viewing. Hello.
Unmute कर संगी, unmute कर.
हाँ मैडम पर वो ठीक है. This is Marie biscuit which I have mixer grinded it, and now with the help of butter I am making it moist. That is the base. This is the Oreo biscuit which I have mixer grind, and now only with 2 tablespoons of milk I am kneading it in a this, you can say, in a dough to make a modak. Modak will be made by the Oreo biscuit. The dough is made by the Oreo biscuit, and then after making the rolls, you are making the modak from the Oreo biscuit in the modak mold. This is how we all know this is how this modak is made of the Oreo biscuits. This is the whipped cream which we have to chilled whipped cream which we have to whip. And the filling of the modak is from this whipped cream. The modak is made of Oreo biscuit. The filling is of the whipped cream. And to make the pudding, in the whipped cream, we are adding 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And this is how we prepare the base of the pudding. This is a airtight container which is first greased with butter. And then we damped this Marie biscuit which has been made moist by just a bit of butter so that it should be dampened to have a thick base. butter, then Marie biscuit, then whipped cream layer. This is the third layer of the pudding. Then again the next layer is of whipped cream, butter, Marie biscuit, whipped cream. These are the 3 layers. Then we put Oreo biscuit layer. Some cream of the Oreo biscuit. Then some sprinkle of the Marie biscuit. Then again the layer of whipped cream. This is the topmost layer. According to the size of the container, you can make how many layers you want to make. The first thing is the butter, second thing is crushed Marie biscuit, third is whipped cream, then you layered it with Oreo biscuit, then again whipped cream, then one more layer. If in spite of this Marie biscuit, you can add cake also, crushed cake in that layer, and the topmost layer is of the whipped cream. Then according to the season, on the topmost layer, if in the summer season, you can apply a layer of Alpenso mangoes, or in normal season, you can have this apple. I have seasoned it with biscuit modak as the topmost layer. These are the modaks which have been made by Oreo biscuit, and the filling is by the whipped cream. Then you have to sprinkle whatever you can sprinkle, different colors, dry fruits. I have sprinkled it with Marie biscuit. And then you have to refrigerate it for at least 4 to 6 hours. Minimum is 4 hours. And before using it, you can keep half hour in the normal lower zone of fridge. This is actually the main thing which is ready. After keeping in the freezer, it looks like just this is the final after we have kept it in the freezer.
And your chutney is ready. So these were the 2 recipes. I move on to my next recipe. All these recipes actually have been created for the first time. I have actually made them for the first time for our NOGS Festivo Gyan program and presentation. So it was my first time when I made these poha cut nuggets, when I made this poha uttapam. Now the next thing which I'm going to show is also made for the first time by me. Yeah,
just
so
to add the next recipe which ma'am is going to be making, it is something which you call as a pizza paratha. And as it is for us Indians, what is a paratha? It is something which has gone abroad for higher education. A paratha which has gone abroad for higher education. So over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, Parul, thanks. So pizza paratha, we normally want to eat, a lot of our kids at home want to eat pizzas, but this is a more healthy version. This is a more healthy version. So we have used wheat flour, and we have used mixed veggies, and we have stuffed them on a cheese slice. So the dough which has been made is a regular dough, like we made for chapatis or paratha at home, with a little salt, and then it has been greased with a little ghee, and then I have mixed up all the vegetables and added it on into the as a stuffing on the paratha. I'll just play the video. So this is the atta that you make. I've added about very little salt to it because the cheese also has some amount of salt, and that pizza sauce which I'll be adding later also has some salt. I'm adding water and I've made a dough. You need to keep this dough covered for about 15 minutes. Then I go to the other ingredients, mixing the other ingredient, that is sweet corn. You can use either fresh or stored, frozen. Add the onions, add the carrots, add the capsicum, add paneer. It is crumpled paneer which I'm using here. Then adding some red chili powder, adding salt, adding black pepper powder, and this is pizza sauce. Either this one is homemade, but you can use one bought from the store as well. Just mix it. Roll the chapati into a large chapati which covers the whole of the rolling board. And make the sides a little thinner and keep the center a little thick. Now place your cheese slice on it and keep the stuffing on it, the way I'm showing in the video. Apply some little water on the edges so that you can close the sides easily. This was my first try at this pizza paratha. Just made it yesterday for the first time, especially for our meeting. Making it into a triangle. I have another method also by which I have done the second part. Just put it on the tawa and you have to sake it just like you do a paratha. And now this is another Mughlai paratha style. I'm putting in the stuffing into a rectangular portion, and this is how I'm going to roast it. The edges don't get roasted, so I apply oil on it and keep the edges also on the tawa by holding it to the side of the pan. And just cut it into small bite-sized pieces and your pizza paratha is ready.
This definitely looks very delicious, ma'am.
Thank you, Parul. And it was really, it just disappeared within minutes from the time I made it.
Must
and they
have.
kept waiting. They kept
Must
waiting
have.
for more yesterday. Yes. So this was pizza paratha.
Amazing, Ankita. बहुत ही मस्त था.
Thank you, Vedai. Go to the next. I'll just go to the next recipe.
All those who have a sweet tooth, the next two recipes are for you all.
Yeah, so Kandi Peda, the Satari Peda are so popular in Maharashtra. I had not eaten them before coming to Nagpur. Actually, this is our family favorite. Everyone at home wants to eat these pedas instead of the regular pedas. So again, I tried my hand on it for the first time, just 2 days back, to try how to make Kandi Peda. So this is an easy recipe. Normally the original Kandi Peda takes a lot of time, takes about 2 hours, 3 hours, because it is also Doodh Peda. What they do is they just reduce the milk to such a level that khawa is formed, and then you get these pedas out of it. So I have done a small instant style of doing this. I have started it with buying khawa from outside. I've used 500 grams of khawa for this, and now I'll show you the recipe how it goes. It's very simple. It requires just 3 ingredients: 500 grams of khawa. It requires 1 cup of sugar and very little of elaichi powder, about half a teaspoon of elaichi powder, and that's about all. You need a thick pan for this because otherwise all that khawa will stick to the sides and it'll be very difficult for you to scrape it out. So do it on a thick non-stick pan preferably, or a kadai preferably. So just start. So these are the 3 ingredients which have been used. Just put on the gas, put that khawa into the kadhai. It was raining very heavily, and you can hear maybe the pitter patter drops, raindrops. I did it in the night, day before yesterday. So you have to just break the khawa till it starts becoming soft and starts releasing the ghee. Yeah, now it has released good amount of ghee, but you don't have to keep doing it because otherwise it will get chewy. Add the sugar at this point, the 1 cup of sugar which I said for 500 grams of khawa. Keep
So,
mixing.
Ankita, I'll mute everyone again. You unmute yourself. People have unmuted themselves. Now you unmute and talk. Ankita, you unmute and talk.
Yeah, so this is how you keep on mixing, and then how do you know that it is done? You take it on a spoon and just roll it between your fingers, and you realize that making a small ball. So means you know that it is done. So your khawa kandi peda is ready now. The mixture is ready. So what you do is just add your elaichi powder to this at this stage. The half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. Put off the gas and let it be on the gas and still stir it for about a minute after this and allow it to cool. Once it is cool, it will become something like this, what you're seeing on the screen. And now you have to roll them in between your palms to make peda out of it. This is how I made the pedas. And these are the pedas for you all. It's very, very, and they again disappeared because everyone in my family has a sweet tooth and just loves these pedas.
Super quick and instant.
Yeah, because we reduce the time by using khawa. Next, I'll go to the next recipe. Yeah, the next recipe is again very close to my heart. I've been having this Nolen Gured Sandesh or palm tree jaggery Sandesh very regularly, and I would just love it, but I'd never made it. Nolen Gured is a fresh gur which comes in winters. So this is available during winters, and Bengalis just love using this palm tree jaggery gur instead of the regular gur that we are using. And it is just amazing. The flavors are just amazing. Whether it is this gur is used in sandesh or whether it is used in Bengali sweets like rasagullas or any pak containing rasagullas, it's amazing. So it's very simple, this recipe. Again, I usually store this gur, buy it in during winters, and I store it in the fridge about 1 or 2. Hello. Hello, am I audible?
You are audible. I'll again mute everyone and then you unmute yourself. People keep unmuting themselves. So I'll mute everyone and I'll not allow them to unmute. But you are a co-host, you will be able to unmute yourself. Now unmute and speak. Yeah.
Yeah. So am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah. So this Bengali gur is something that I store. It is available only in the winters. The person gets me this gur, about 2 kgs of gur every winter, and I store it in the refrigerator so that I can use it the whole year round and not wait only for winters to make dishes out of it. So basic ingredients: it requires 1 liter of whole milk, 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid crystals. If you don't have citric acid crystals, you can use juice of 1 big lemon. Then 1 small cup of this date jaggery, which is grated, and 1 teaspoon of ghee to brush the sides of the molds. I'll skip this and I'll show you the video. So So we have to boil 1 liter of milk. Once it reaches the boiling point, put it off and keep stirring it for some time till it gets a little cool. This helps you to give you a good chena. Add the citric acid crystals after cooling it for about 2 minutes after it has boiled by putting off the gas. Add these citric acid crystals. And keep stirring it gently, the milk. Now you'll see that the chena and the whey are separating. Let it separate nicely. Tastes yummy when you do it at home and use fresh chena like this. So you see that the chena is ready and all the whey has separated off. At this point, we will just put it through a sieve, which is a muslin cloth or a cotton cloth, which has been kept ready to drain off all the whey. This is by, I have done this video by holding my mobile in one hand and trying to record as well as do the procedure. There was nobody at home to record this at that time. So this is how we put in. We have grated this 1 cup of Nolen gur. Now you have to mash that chena which is ready after half an hour when you have drained off all the water, and you have to make it very soft. Keep doing this for about 10 minutes till it becomes nice, soft and smooth, silky, and releases some amount of ghee when you do this. Now add that grated gur to it and put it in the pan. Now it will be ready very fast. This takes about 5 minutes. When this mixture will start leaving the pan. See, the mixture is already leaving the pan. And this is the time when you can get it off the flame. Keep it aside for about 10 minutes till it cools down. These are the special molds which I have used. These are Bengali sandesh molds by which I will be making the sandesh. Using these molds, you can use any mold which you have at home. If you don't want to, if you don't have these mold, that should not restrict you from making this sandesh. You can simply make it in a shape of a pedha or any other mold. So this is the Nolen gur sandesh, which is for all of you to enjoy virtually.
Amazing. बहुत बढ़िया.
Definitely it's a treat virtually, ma'am, but we would have loved if in person we would have eaten them.
Yes, yes. Now after the lockdown, I'm waiting for this lockdown to sort of lockdown period. We have unlocked, but some more time to go. Definitely have a party or a treat for all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, please
And
mute
so,
everyone, okay, except Ankita and Parul.
So I am at the end of my presentation. Thank you Vaidehi, Rajasi and team VR and Festivo Gyan for giving me this opportunity. And you have given my family also a big opportunity to enjoy the dishes which I made thanks to this presentation, because so everyone is very happy. हाँ तू बना और हमको खिला. So this is a moonlight dinner which we had during the lockdown when Modi ji had announced a candle burning. So we went on the terrace the other day and we enjoyed a moonlight dinner. So it can be festive time anytime.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ankita ma'am, for sharing such lovely, delicious, easy, and very nicely put recipes to all of us. Thanks a lot. And definitely, as the message also reads in one of the chats, that we are looking forward to this lockdown to get over and share all these delicious things to, you know, savor on. We would be looking forward to meet you and indulge in all this. So now I would like to call our last, but not the least, the ninja of the culinary, Dr. Deepti ma'am. And I would like to ask Swati ma'am to help us share the screen.
Surely, Parul, I'm ready.
Yes.
Thank you, Parul.
I'm not able to mute everyone. So please, I request each one of you, please mute yourself. Few people I'm trying from my end, but I'm not able to mute them. So I request, except the presenter, all of you, please keep yourself muted. It causes a lot of background audio and then the speaker is not audible well. So please, a request, because there are some people have changed their settings and we are not able to unmute them. A humble request to all of you, except the presenter, please keep all of you your mics muted, your audio settings muted, please. Thank you so much. Over to you, Deepti.
Yes, thank you, madam. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is hungry and I'm standing in between with my dishes. And I really hope everyone enjoys today's meals after the session is over. Thank you, Vaidehi madam, for encouraging a cook in me. And since this lockdown has started, you have given opportunity for each and everyone. So the saying goes very true with you that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. You are so good, multi-talented in yourself that you see so many good points in others. Thank you, madam. I really, cooking for me is like, it is connected with my kids. I truly believe when a child is born, a mother is born. And when mother is born, slowly, gradually, a cook is also born. Because we all love cooking for our kids. And I'm very happy to share that by both the kids. I have a son, 18 years old, and a daughter who is 15. They have also taken up cooking as their hobbies. And my son is a very good cook, better than me, and he cooks very nice dishes. So let us start. The recipes I have chosen today are connected with my children. The first one I'll be cooking with potatoes, the second one with corn, and the third one will be paneer. Let us start.
Yes, ma'am.
And since we are cooking, we are always learning. Learning never stops while cooking. So my today's first recipe is potatoes with sesame seeds. These are jhatpat recipes. Swati, please put down the volume low so that I can speak in the meantime. These are jhatpat recipes. The preparation time is 10 minutes and the cooking time is also 15 minutes. Swati, can you please pause it so that I quickly tell all the ingredients? Yes, thank you. The ingredients for this potatoes with sesame seeds is baby potatoes, half kgs. 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 4 to 6 curry leaves, 2 teaspoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, that is til, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and for garnishing you'll require coriander, which is chopped, and 1 to 2 slit green chilies. First, what we have to do is we have to select good baby potatoes and then we have to boil it with salt in it so that the potatoes become little salty so that the taste is enhanced. So after parboiling the potatoes, we have to peel it. You can please start the video now. Swati, are you listening? Yeah, thank you. These are the ingredients. And we heat the oil in pan. We put the mustard seeds and jeera. Then we know the oil is hot enough and ready that we can cook our dish. We put now ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons. Give it a nice stir. And then After this ginger garlic paste is done, we put our peeled potatoes in it, along with curry leaves. At this moment, we also put a pinch of turmeric powder, and you will see all the magic will begin now. The change will, there will be a change in color. The color will become nice yellow and very appealing. This is a dish is made jhatpat, and everyone can give this potatoes in tiffins, and every child I know loves potatoes. So they eat these potatoes with roti, paratha, naan, anything. After this is done, we cover it with a lid to cook for almost 2 to 3 minutes. As we know, all these potatoes are boiled. We need not cook it for a longer time. And we add a pinch of salt because already while boiling, we have added salt. So we need not make it more salty. So add a little pinch of salt. I have even tried to put some kasuri methi in this. Now you can play the second video. Swati?
Yes, ma'am, I'm sharing.
Yeah. After we put the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, the dish is done. We can take it out, we can present it, and before we serve it, we have to add the sesame seeds in it. That gives a nice presentable look to the dish. And as we all know, sesame seeds are also very healthy. Can everybody see it?
No, Swati, we're not able to see your screen. We can only see your downloads folder. Swati, it's not visible.
Ma'am, I'm trying to share. I don't know. It's playing on my screen. Just a minute.
Stop share करके फिर से देख. So what's this next recipe, Dipti?
Yeah, the next recipe is crispy corn chaat. Is again favorite among children as the corn become very crispy and children love eating corn. It's a nice snack for the evening meals when children are all time hungry when we come back from our clinics and they have one question, Mama, aaj kya hai khane mein? So we can, yeah, we can again make it a jhatpat snack recipe with corn.
और तो इसके साथ नान भी बनाती थी ना हमेशा ये जो आलू है उसके साथ
आलू के साथ मैम anything will do roti naan paratha everything.
Okay, here comes your recipe.
Yeah,
yes,
this is recipe number 2. Yeah, this is crispy corn chaat. The ingredients are 2 cups of sweet corn. It could be either frozen or fresh. And 4 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon roasted cumin seeds, half teaspoon chaat masala. Can you please pause it, Swati, before I read all the ingredients? Half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chopped spring onion. I did not have this spring onion, so I didn't put, but it can be put. half teaspoon of amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. We also require oil for frying the corn and salt to taste. Okay. First thing we do is we boil the corn for almost 2 to 3 minutes. We need not over boil it. Swati, please start the video. While boiling it, we add a little salt in it. And then after the boiling is over, we drain it. We take out all the water from the corn, and till the corn is moist, we put half a teaspoon of maida and 3 teaspoons of corn flour, and we coat the corn entirely and we keep it aside. If the corn is dry, the whole water has been drained out, we can add little water to it to make it the coating is full with every corn grain. And when the corn is coated nicely with that powder, then when we fry it, they become very crispy. These are the ingredients to make the chaat. Cut onion, coriander, chopped coriander, and then gradually when the corn is nice and crispy, we take it out and then we add our ingredients: onion, chopped coriander, amchur powder, jeera powder. And it depends on your taste. If you want it more spicy, add more chili powder, or else you can adjust your chili powder. Lastly, we add some lemon juice to it. It enhances the taste to the highest level. And children love this. It's a night snack for the evening meals. This is crispy corn chaat. And the third one is a sweet dish.
What is a sweet dish?
It is paneer kalakand, ma'am. Since I told you that my children have also taken up cooking, this dish was taught by my daughter who is 15 now, but she had taught me this dish when she was in class 4th. Because she had a habit of going through all the pins from the Pinterest, and she told me, Mama, this is very easy and I should try and make it out. And then I learned that time. So this paneer recipe is again very close to my heart because it is loved by my daughter.
Kya baat
This is
hai?
called paneer kalakand. Again a jhatpat recipe. The preparation time is 10 minutes and cooking time is 10 minutes. The ingredients for this are very simple. Paneer, freshly made paneer, as just now Ankita ma'am has told us how to make fresh paneer at home. That can be taken, or we can buy it, and it should be very nice and fresh, soft. The paneer should be taken 500 grams. We need a whole tin of Milkmaid for this, and we don't have to add any extra sugar in this. As such, the condensed milk is very sweet in itself. We also need 2 teaspoons of elaichi powder and everyday milk powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Swati, please pause it. Yeah, thank you. Kalakand is a very high calorie dish, and it is liked by everyone. These sweets have been made during Holi, Diwali, Ramzan, Navratri. And this is a cuisine basically from Uttar Pradesh. But there is a war between Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, this is called milk cake. So let us not go with the fight. In Maharashtra, we eat it as a kalakand. Traditionally, kalakand is made by boiling milk and then evaporating all the moisture, making it solidifying the milk and then adding sugar to it. But since we all have, we have to have so many tasks to accomplish throughout day. We also are conscious about our nutrition. We also have to satisfy our children. Time pe to guest aate hi rehte ho, so this is a jhatpat sweet recipe we all can try. And a little piece of advice to all those who will be making it. Since I mashed it up with my fingers, this paneer can also be grated so that it gets a nice bind when we make cakes out of it. Please start. We mash the paneer, then we make put it in a thick bottom pan, paneer, and we add condensed milk into it, and we cook it on a medium to low flame. We don't have to increase the flame because it has a chances of getting burned. We should be very careful. Please pause it, Swati. Can you please go back little? We constantly have to stir it, taking precautions not to burn it from the bottom. And we stir it gently, continuously, so that the moisture is, slowly we see that the moisture is gone and it becomes little solidified and it leaves the bottom of the pan. That time it is ready. And we have seen that we have not added any extra sugar in it. This we are adding now elaichi powder and milk powder we have added to just make it more dense. The binding effect is good with this. Now, since the whole thing is ready, we are putting it in a greased pan, leveling it up, and then we'll allow it to cool, completely cool down for say another half an hour, or we can put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. When it is completely cooled, we make cakes out of it. We cut it in pieces and then sprinkle dry fruits of our likings. Pistachios also go with the color nicely. So this is Jhatpat Paneer Kalakand. That's all from me.
Really Jhatpat.
Thank you.
Thank you, Deepti ma'am. The dishes were really nice, and I'm sure all of us who have young kids can try some for our own kids also.
Yes, these are for Jhatpat recipes are for kids only.
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. So many of us read the recipes like science fiction. Once you go to the end, you think, I think this is not happening. But after all what today's master chefs have told us, I'm sure our dictum to this would change, and we would all want to get into our kitchens and make these Jhatpat recipes. I would like to thank all the participants, all the master chefs, Dr. Ankita ma'am, Deepti ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am, Anjali ma'am, for presenting these lovely recipes to all of us and sharing the best of their recipes. And as you say, life is like a bowl of cherries, live to the fullest. I'm sure you all are staying back safe at your home. So stay home as warm as a toast. And we'll be there to spill the beans next week between the same time on nutrition and food in the NutriFest the next week. And I'm really thankful to Vedai Marathe ma'am to give me this opportunity and for conducting such very wonderful sessions. And also to Rajasi ma'am for helping us and making this VR world rock so nice. Thanks a lot. And thank you everyone who's present here.
Actually, a big round of applause for our chefs today. The master chefs deserve a big round of applause. They were really awesome. And it was a grand treat today, although visual. Soon to see you all together. We wish to meet in person very soon, and then all of us can have a good potluck party.
Yes,
and Parul, don't even thank me. I wanted a chatpati MOC only for such chatpati programs, and who else but you? You are हमारा मैं बोलती हूँ छोटा सा spicy तड़का हमारी team की है Parul. So thanks to you, Parul. You made this session very interesting.
Thanks
so thank you all once again. We started a little late because of some technical issues and the executive meeting was going on. But nonetheless, we finished by the time it was lunchtime. So it's some few minutes, till for 2 o'clock yet. It's 1:45, right? So all of you now can hog whatever you cooked, or thinking that whatever recipes were shown to us, we are only gorging on that and visual pleasure, So. Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks all of you. You all joined in such large numbers. I never expected that we'll cross hundreds, but we are more than, I don't remember, I think more than 140 people initially logged in. But I think because of the initial glitch, and I don't know why you all were not able to share screen. So I think that teaches us the importance of dry run well before time. Okay, so next time we'll be careful about that. Yeah. Although we've never faced problem with DigiGens, and what she said, Sangeeta, that our VR world is made only for academics, because academic sessions go absolutely, without any hassle, no glitches at all, actually. And then we have speakers from all over India, and still we never had any hassles. But nonetheless, we've learnt our lessons, and next time we'll be more careful. So we will have a dry run next time. So you all don't have to, wait and keep waiting for us to start sharing and look at the videos. All right. So thank you all once again. Thanks, Parul. Thanks all our master chefs, and thanks to all the participants, I should say participants only, all doctor friends. They are not only from Dr. Nagpur, but many from other places. People have joined us for today's master chef show. So thank you. Is Rajasi around?
No, ma'am. Actually, ma'am is not around. She had to leave because of some reasons. There was a patient, so she left a little early.
So this is a kind of formal vote of thanks from you and me to all of you. Yeah. Sure. Bye bye. Have a good day. And the next NutriFest, yeah, all of you should be there. Okay. So one is for general awareness by Meghna. That's going to be mostly on Wednesday, because Ganpati Visarjana is on Tuesday. And then Thursday, we have very, very interesting a topic very close to our hearts. Think inches, not kilos. And then Sunday, again, we are back with Parul on another chatpata spicy show with none other than the master chef Vishnu Manohar. So another one more week of festivities and Masti Dhamal. So all of you, please log in each and every time. All right, we'll want to see all of you there. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. I'm ending the meeting now.
Thank you. Thank you, Vaidehi, Rajasi.